Yo, what's up mga kasyoy? Welcome back to my channel. Yo mga kasyoy, samahan nyo ako mga ka-chismax, no? What's up mga ka-chismax, no? Samahan nyo ako, let's do this. Let's go! Eto, kumakalat social media to, no? I just want to, no, to make a reaction, no? Regarding with the NBA, no? Eto, NBA players, no? So what happened is, no? Puta, napapa-English na ako, no guys, no? Siyempre, katatapos lang ng Olympics, di ba? So para ano, I think there's a celebration, no? And this young dude, no? Young boy, no? Been waiting for LeBron to take a selfie, no? But the reaction of LeBron is negative, no? You will see on the video. Let's all.
Congratulations, LeBron. LeBron? LeBron? It's possible to take a picture, please.
Stop. Don't do that.
Hi, King. Congratulations, LeBron.
Arriba todo.
Champion!
So you will be the judge, no? For me, no, I would say that as an NBA players, no, people, no, especially young blood, no, that young boy, I've been idolizing LeBron James, no. You should appreciate that, no. You just want to congratulate you, Mr. LeBron James, no. No, you should just take a picture, no? And then you go straight to the venue, then you dance, no? What a dickhead, no? Shit. I think LeBron James is a fucking asshole, you know? Diba mga dude, no? Makikita nyo dito, no? Nakupal to si LeBron James. Punta na pa picture ka lang. Di mo naman kailangan na you respond harshly to the young kid. God damn it. Fuck. No, what the hell? This guy have the pain in the ass, no? Don't idolize this guy. No? This fucking motherfucking basketball player. Huwag yung idolize yung kupal na yan. Putay na. Gago, papapicture lang yung bata eh. Diba? Papapicture lang yung bata. Ano sagot mo? No. Don't do that. Okay. It's your privacy, no? You have the right to have a privacy. But you are NBA player. You are public.
Damage.
I would say that you are public property. You know why? What? Because people watch you, no? Especially for the young kids, no? Dapat kahit man lang magpa-picture ka, puta, sa iba nga papapicture ka eh. Pumunta ka doon sa venue, puta ka na. Nagsasayaw ka pa kung hindi ka ba kupal talaga, di ba? Wala ka, LeBron, kupal ka. Tangina ka, gago. Hindi ka pwede sabihin na you are the king of basketball. Tangina yung karakter mo, kupal. Di ba? Tangina, naiinis ako, puta. Alam mo bakit? Kasi bata yun eh. Ina-idolize ka. Puta, hindi mo pinagbigyan, gago. Tangina ako, high-bla rin sa'yo, kupal ka eh, puta. Guys, no, I would comment down below. I just want to see your reaction on this, no? What is your take on this, no? This issue, this NBA so-called superstar. Fuck. Anyway, no? Hanggang dito lang mga kasugoy, no? Hina-high blood na ako sa kupal na to eh. Nung napanood ko to talagang Kung nandito gusto mo sapakin talaga si Lebron, putahin nanto Anyway, no? Comment down below mga ka-chismax, no? Muli po, ito po si Cesar Castillo Jr. nagsabing, tirahin mo na yan. Baka tirahin pa rin ba until next time? Sugoy, peace out!